Bebe. Ganda. Bebe.
Papunta na o.
Natapos yung stress natin.
Natapos yung stress sa immigration.
After ng red, ay there, gitna nga tayo, bebe, pakpak pa na.
Bigyan mo number na to.
Registration price is 840 Hanoi.
Bebe, dun pa, malayo-layo pa after ng red seat.
Numbers on your boarding passes. We discourage unauthorized taking of leave due to the aircraft weight and balance restrictions. Secure luggage and baggage overhead compartments as all items under the seat in front of you. Thank you and have a super journey ahead.
There. Bebe, sa left. Ay, right. Doon. Bebe, pakpak nga.
Good morning! Another day and another blessing! So, pupunta kami ng Vietnam ng aking friend. So, nandito na nga kami sa aming plane. So, ang aming airline is AirAsia. So, dito kami nagpa-book. So, nabook namin yung ticket namin is 4 months ago. So, nag-prepare kami ng almost like half a years para makapunta at para siyempre dapat may savings kang dala at may pera kang dala bago ka mag-travel. So I'm so excited talaga na pumunta doon. So hopefully we are enjoy. So I do my best para mag-enjoy kasi once in a lifetime lang to. At sana maulit pa with my family. So hindi natin alam. So see ya! Kasi bawal na dito. Bawal na mag video after this one. So I gonna off my phone. So bawal na mag video. See ya!
Tatanggalin ko na to, hindi ko na.
Dear guests, we will now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. As your safety is our concern, this. Head and breathe mode. It is mode mask not to full plate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, put it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, hold the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate
So after 3 hours, nandito na kami sa Vietnam. Welcome Vietnam! Hindi bumababa. Ayan, so ito yung view niya papuntang immigration. So sobrang nakakapagod. Like ang layo-layo ng way niya papunta doon sa immigration. So puros kami lakad dyan. Sabi ko, layo naman.
Ay, wow.
So puros kami lakad dyan bago kami nakapunta sa immigration. So after namin sa immigration, kukunin namin yung luggage namin. So ayan na. So andito na kami sa sa luggage. Airport ng Vietnam. Ang linis. Sobrang linis at ang laki. So kunin na namin yung mga luggage namin. May ikot na. My baby is here. That's my baby. Yeah.
And
Ito
then,
yung sa akin.
and then you know, Michi. The IO, he interviewed Michi. He said, "Who's with you?" He said, "My friend." And then she pointed a finger on me, and then I just smiled. And then after that, the question that he asked is all about. Uy!
Yeah. Oh. Oh my God, that's so heavy.
Your friend. What's the other question?
What she do, what she work,
Yeah.
why she buy the ticket, like that. There's a lot.
By the
She they interview me about her. it's all about her, not me.
right?
That's so funny.
Yeah, that's fine.
Baby, mag-picture tayo.
Oh shit, video pala to.
Vietnam. Bebe, column 1. I think
It's raining.
picture Picturean mo ka bang punta ko doon?
Saan?
Come on.
It's raining. Pa-play ko na. Naka-play na pala. Ito ba yung bebe? Today.
Ang lilim ba? Kawa naman to.
For today. today. Yes, for today. Tomorrow.
Ayan, after 2 hours waiting, so andito na kami sa bus. So, papunta na kami ng Sapa. So, ang
Ewan ko
ganda
dyan.
ng sleep bus nila. So,
Naka-play lang
makaka-relax
yan
ka
dyan.
talaga. Kasi may TV, naka-aircon, at may kumot, may unan. So, ayan yung ano nila. So, ayan yung style ng kanilang bus. Ang ganda. So, see ya! So, sleep muna ako kasi pagod much. 6 hours ang biyahe namin papuntang Sapa. So, see ya after 6 hours. Bye!